You having trouble selling equipment? Do you not know the best solution for selling products? Do you want to close 9 out of 10 jobs or 10 out of 10? I might give you those pieces of advice that will help you today, but really what I want to do is I want to give you the worst mistake that you can make when selling products. And today that's what we're going to talk about. Because if you make this mistake, you're guaranteed to not sell a job. The first and biggest mistake that you can make when you're trying to sell equipment is trash talking your competitors. Because when you trash talk your competitors in front of the customer, you display characteristics like insecurities that are automatically going to turn the customer off. They're not going to listen to your advice. One thing you need to know for sure is the customer knows what they want, when they want, and how they want it. So you really need to focus on the customer's needs and making them happy. The money from the product sale is actually not going to make you happy because money is a temporary thing. Money lasts just a little while and then it's gone. So you don't need to focus just on money. You need to focus on representing your company well and being able to actually satisfy the customer, because then that relationship's going to be better for you. The job's going to go easier and you actually have more people involved than just you. You're not the one that's just selling the job. I'm not the one that sells the job when I go out. The customer actually decides they want to choose the company when they make the call. And then when they make the call, they don't deal with just me. They deal with other people from my company. And I don't sell anything that I don't believe in. I believe in the people that I work with because they have the best skills. They have the best attitudes. They are the people that are going to be selling the equipment, not just me. I believe in them and I believe in their skills and believe in what they do, and they provide a great opportunity for me to be able to have this opportunity. So the job, we get it, and then the customer's happy because, well, they're happy about their decision. Now, there's some things that you shouldn't do apart from trash talking, like pressure selling, like manipulating to sell a product. These things are not going to be good for you and good for the company. And if you work for a company that believes in pressure selling, then you need to leave that company because they really are not representing you well. So one thing you definitely need to focus on, and if you go to sales trainings, they're going to teach you. They're going to teach you to sell that job and close that deal while you're there. And that's something I don't do. I want the customer to think about it and take their time. I want them to know for sure that they want to use me, and I want them to have the reason why. So that's something you need to think about. You don't need to just try to close the deal, pressure, sell. It just never works, and it's not good for your business. Plus, you're representing your company, so you want to represent them well. These are some tips that are going to help you in the field. Do not pressure sell, and you don't really have competition. There's plenty of work in the HVAC industry for everybody to have a piece of the pie. So you don't need to sit and try to, and don't be a sore loser either. You know, there's competitors out there that are sore losers and they hate it when they lose an opportunity. There's plenty of opportunities, okay? You have to be willing to try to get out there, and referral rates is one of the best ways your company can actually get work. Referral rates. So sometimes customers won't actually call 2 or 3 people. They'll just call one person. Why? Because they got that referral. It was from their friend. They trusted their friend or their neighbor, and they know they want that same type of job. So they might know the work that you actually have to offer before you even get there. Another thing I want to tell you is that if you have a woman who is the representative, or she's a widow and she's at the home that you're trying to give a bid to, you should never look down on women. You should never try to talk to a woman in a certain way where you make her feel inferior to you. And that's something that people do, and it's ridiculous because it's not you're not building a good relationship. You know, what are you trying to do? Is the product all that matters to you? If that's the case, you don't need to be selling any product. And you need to know something. You need to know that there's customers out there that have sales positions and they know how to sell products. And I know just in real estate, you don't want somebody to buy a house that they don't need. You don't want somebody to have a smaller family and then they buy a huge home. You don't want somebody to have a mortgage that they can't afford. So, and there's a lot of companies that'll give you a 3-step deal. They'll give you they'll give you a mid-level and a high level or a low-level tier. Just price the homeowner what they need. That's it. And it's really easy. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. If you didn't, tell me why in the comments. I really appreciate all your support and all my channel members. If you want more videos and want to learn, check out my playlist, Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad. This was Tips for Technicians. And remember, don't make the biggest mistake when you're trying to sell a job. Don't pressure sell. Don't manipulate to sell that product. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. The trust that somebody has in you, it's immeasurable. It's an immeasurable value. It's worth more than any of the money that you can make. Because at the end of the day, really honestly, nobody wants to be alone, and you don't want to have a situation where you can't call anybody because, well, you've burned too many bridges. So definitely do your best out there. And remember, I'll keep you cool if you let me.